Solanaceae is a big family of flowering plants that include tomatoes, capsicums, chillies and eggplants. With summer on the way and the soil warming up, now is the right time to plant them. For gardeners in cooler climates, timing is critical because the seeds will only germinate when the soil is the right temperature. For capsicums, it needs to be a minimum of 20 degrees. For eggplants, a minimum of 24 degrees. A heat mat under your seedling tray will also raise the soil temperature as needed. But I'm in Perth, so there's no shortage of warmth at the moment. It's one of these chilli seeds per cell. A fine layer of seed raising mix over the top, a week or two in the greenhouse or a north-facing windowsill should see them germinating, and they'll be ready for planting out once they've developed a couple of sets of leaves. You can also buy established veggie seedlings like these ones. Here I've got a mix of tomato, eggplant and capsicum ready to go into this bed. I'm working in some compost, some cow manure and some pelletised chook manure. Tomatoes, eggplants and capsicums all like similar conditions. Free draining soil with plenty of organic matter and full sun. They are also susceptible to similar pests and diseases, so whilst it's fine to plant them in the same spot, make sure you rotate between beds each season to avoid problems. These plants all have slightly different growth habits. At one end of the bed, the black cherry tomatoes will need tall stakes to climb up. Next, 2 eggplants. These get quite bushy, so I'm planting them about 70 centimetres apart. They need a sturdy stake to support the plant under the weight of the fruit. These ones are Bonicas, which are the classic large, oval-shaped, dark purple fruit. This one's starting to flower, and when it's ready to harvest in a couple of months, pick them when they're full, firm and glossy. Next, I've got 3 types of capsicum to be planted at 40 to 50 centimetre intervals and staked. There's Big Momma, which is crisp and sweet when green. Red Beauty, which will take a bit longer to ripen and develop its colour. And Dragon Roll, which are a long, mildly spicy capsicum that get hotter the redder they get. These also need staking, then mulch across the bed and a good watering in. Going forward, they'll need regular watering, plus an occasional feed with a flower and fruit fertiliser to get them cropping like crazy. When it comes to chillies, I like to grow them in pots, close to the kitchen, so they're easy to pick when I need them. They're also highly ornamental plants, so why not put them somewhere really visible? This is a Cayenne type, which is more than hot enough for me, especially when they redden up. Now these need very similar conditions to the plants that I've just put in the ground. Plenty of sun, good soil, or potting mix in this instance, regular watering, occasional fertilising, staking, and they're good to go. Couldn't be easier.